never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch him looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. He gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my mother freaking channel. Today's video is gonna be my first ever actual, I guess, natural hair video. I did about 2 already, but this is gonna be an actual my natural hair. I'm gonna try to do a style of it. Now, as you guys can see, I blew out my hair already. I did this off camera only because it takes me a while and because I was pretty much distracted, and I didn't think you guys were gonna see that. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use to blow my hair out. So first, I use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Knot Away Leave in the Tangler, which listen, this is a holy grail right here because my hair gets tangled so fast, and this really helps. So if you guys ever want to try this, I don't know why my camera's not focusing on it. If you guys ever want to try this or thought about trying it, you should try it. And then I also use the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco heat protector, sorry, smooth and shine polisher. So yeah, so basically, obviously, when I'm blow dry my hair, I won't get any heat damage. Sorry guys, obviously I was rudely interrupted. Yeah, so okay, the next product I have here is the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Hair and Scalp Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Now the reason why I have this out is because leave-in conditioner always helps moisturize my hair, but it says moisturizing here, so you don't have to use both if you really don't want to. Oh yeah, I love, by the way, Cantu, Shea Butter, and Cream of Nature. I have literally all their products. Next product I have is the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil for natural hair, Moisture Recover Leave-In Curl Milk. Now this I had just because it adds some shine and it has a frizz control. This next product is a Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream, which I saw the girl use in the video, so I'm definitely going to use this. And she also used Eco Styler Gel. Now I see a lot of them using Eco Styler Gel, so I was like, I really didn't want to use it at first because I don't want my hair to be hard and stuff, but I'll honestly probably just blow it out so I can get rid of the hardness if I have any. So yeah, this is just the Eco Styler Gel. This is the clear one. And then I also have edge control just because I did my edges. This is by Glaze Galore. Honestly, this edge control is really good. Look at the packaging. It's really cute. I'm telling you, it has a strong hold. I have really thick hair, and look at my edges, guys. It looks like... And for the oils now, I have 2 oils. This is going to be used... I'm going to be using this after I take the braids out. This is just 100 pure natural coconut oil. And then I also have my growth oil from Shop Glam Life Hair. But yeah, guys, I'm going to start sectioning off my hair. I'm going to start from the back. Yeah, we're going to start from the back. This is my first time, so bear with me. I'm going to pray to the hair gods that it comes out okay, good, and at all, honestly, because I don't even know how it's going to go. This is like a trial and error with me. That's what it's called, right? I still couldn't get the roots of my hair all the way straight, so really don't mind that. Alright, guys, so we sectioned off the hair. Ow, do you see what I mean? My hair just easily gets so tangled, and it's so annoying. Okay, so I have the hair trim right here. Next thing I'm going to use is my Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. That much. Yeah, alright, so I have this much of the curling cream. You guys get to see that. And she just rubbed it through her hands like this, and then she just put it on the hair. Then she added the gel. I should have had the gel already, but yeah. I'm just going to take this much of gel. And she said I braid as tightly as possible, so now I'm about to just braid a simple box braid. I'm doing exactly what she do. Braid that this is gonna look cute. Okay, I don't want to waste all this time for it to not come out cute, but I mean, this is my first time, so this is trial and error, but still I want to have a cute hairstyle. I want to feel cute during this time because right now I'm feeling ugly. She said once you get to the end she's gonna add a flexi rod. See, I don't have flexi rod, but I do have, she used perm rods. She said flexi rod, but they're perm rods, flexi rods, so I'm gonna just use those. See, I'm gonna just use a flexi rod. And just, she said she added gel to the bottom of the hair. Wrap this little curler around it, hopefully. Oh, I see why they use perm rods, because I don't know how the hell you expect this little piece of hair to actually, stay put. I did something. Hopefully, you know, it turns out okay. Now she's doing like kind of big sections. Don't want, like I said, tight small curls. I want some big voluminous curls. So I'm gonna see. Now that I got it pretty much set, is like, you know, it's pretty basic what you have to do. Section your hair, braid, section your hair, braid. I'm gonna just continue to do that process, and you guys could just watch me. Alright guys, so I braided all my hair. Let me show you guys the back. Yeah. So, let's see the difficulty of sleeping is going to be like. I might not even sleep because I have class today, and if I go to sleep, I won't be going to class because it's literally, I didn't even turn my phone on. 5:56, basically 6 o'clock in the a.m. So, and I have class in like 3 hours basically. I'm gonna keep them in for 2 days because tomorrow I really don't want to like take them out. I want to take them out maybe on, well, definitely on Friday. I mean, I'm gonna definitely take them out on Saturday, so I'll come back to you guys in 2 days to see how they look. I really don't need to keep them for 2 days because it's dry hair, but I am, because I don't feel like looking cute and I don't want to waste it, you feel me? But when I actually want to like put my makeup on, take some cute pictures, I'm gonna take them out. So I'm gonna see you guys when it's time to take them out in 48 hours. Mwah. Hey guys, so it's been like about 3 days. Today is Saturday. Like I told you guys, I'll take it out on Saturday. I think I told you guys that, but we back. Obviously we lost a few in the process, as you guys can see. We lost a red one, a yellow one, and a purple one. So I'm about to just like re-unravel these, and I lost like these parts, the white things, which I don't know how that happened, but yeah, I lost them. So unravel those. I'm gonna just take the rest out, and then after that we're gonna see out. Listen, I already prayed to the hair gods when I first put it in that it works. I'm gonna pray again now. Alright guys, all my braids is out. I'm so comfortable on camera, I didn't even notice. I'm over here like, yeah guys, but before we do take the braids out, I'm gonna do my edges because I feel like since I already have my edges out, because I didn't even do them on that thing. I might as well just like do them now. They're looking really rough. Y'all know that. So. Alright, y'all already know I'm going to be using my Glaze Galore Edge Wax. Or edge control, basically. Not edge wax, it's edge control. I'm going to go get the oil. I'm going to start taking out my braids because I don't want to get too frizzy. It's probably already frizzy. So, you know what I'm saying? Don't want to, like, make more frizz.
DistinctBeats.com.
Alright guys, I took all the braids out. I'm pretty scared right now because it looks nothing like what the girl did. Like when she took it out, she has like some puff. My hair looks flat. Like a whole minute, it was not even recording. But anyways guys, so I was playing my hair for it seemed like forever, and it really was, because when I started taking my hair it was 9 o'clock. It is literally 12 o'clock. So 10, 11, 12, 3 hours just take my hair out and try to fix it up. Yeah, but yeah, I try to fluff it out as much as I can because I didn't really like how flat it was looking. That was not the move, and it still don't like how the girl did it. But I had more braids than her, so next time I know to like do less braids, like do probably 4 and 4 on both sides, or like even less than that, probably like 3 and 3. I don't know. But yeah, because it was chunky. This is like what I did not want, which is small curls. I wanted big curls, and it's already frizzing up, especially on this side, because I had to keep on fluffing this side like I'm doing right now. Yeah, will I do this hairstyle again? No, only because it looks literally just like if I took out my freaking straight backs from my wig. So, you know, it's like nothing different. But it's my first attempt. I'll probably do it again. I said I wouldn't do it again. I'm not gonna do it again. But if I did, I'll probably like try other products and stuff. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to fix the part, but my scalp is so itchy. It's like literally so dry, and I put oil and it's still itchy. But guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this hairstyle, because I know y'all used to me wearing like weaves or wigs, whatever y'all want to call it, all the time. But this is the reason why some of my hair can grow. If I ever do this again, it could be even bigger and even like longer, you know. So yeah, I'm just trying to like fluff it out. It's like so flat on this side and it's so annoying. Alright guys, so I came back. My hair is fully done, as you guys can see. Change the setting because I was taking some pictures over here. I had like a mini photo shoot, but I fixed it up because y'all saw how it was flat and stuff. So like I literally was puffing it for like seemed like forever to get it like this, like ever. And like what I've been doing to get it big, because it'll keep on like it'll stay big for like some time and then go back down. So like I'll keep on doing like this, then I'll put my hair back up. Then fluff it some more to bring all that volume that's from the back and the front. And yeah, the one thing that I was annoyed about was like the imprint, so I'm trying to like fix that, like doing like this, and then I just pat it down a little bit. But yeah guys, I like it. Hold on, bring y'all back a little bit. But I still like it though. I took some cute pictures. Don't mind this, it's actually a jumpsuit. I just put it down so I can take some cute pictures real quick with this shirt on. So yeah, but I like the shirt like this. Just you don't even see it like that because I took some headshots basically. I don't know, should I take some pictures like this? That would be kind of cute. But like change them, I gotta like cut out the bottom, just have it like. But yeah, I'm gonna post some pictures of me that I took on the screen so you can see my little mini photo shoot. But this is my hair, this is the results that I got. It's not what the girl had. She had like chunkier curls. This is more like tighter and small curls, which I told you guys I did not want, but it was my mistake because I didn't like part my hair in the same section that she did, because I thought like my hair was thicker than hers and coarser, that I should do it otherwise. But it still looks cute to me. I know this is just different, you know. My mom likes it, of course she does. But yeah, I'm gonna do a montage real quick because I feel mad. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want more natural hair videos. It's not really a tutorial, it's just me just trying things. So if you guys want me to try some different natural hairstyles, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll do them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment thoughts on P too, because y'all know that's our little like slang, our little like language now, like our little phrase. That's on P, because that's on period. Okay. Oh gosh. Bye, pretties.
Ain't no been with a chick that bad. I ain't worried about that.